springtime show.
Okay.
So hopefully we can find some pizza boxes there. That'd be great.
Taking from here, we said,
Keep all 3 salads. Could probably last another month.
yeah.
You know, at least 3 weeks.
Okay.
So once that's done, then that one's off. You keep the fried chicken, keep the Morty, keep the Milanese until it gets down to it. We don't want to buy any more chicken. We could just stop the Parmesan and the Milanese as well. And again, just condense. That's gonna hurt.
Yeah. In the front row, kicking back old school tracks like damn. Can't get enough of this more like I don't even know where I am. Ooh, baby, get hyped to the beat, let's zone, cause this is our jam. This is our jam. Ooh.
Phase 1, many years in the making. Waited a long time for this. But it's going well. Things are going pretty fast. Guys are working great, but it's an exciting time. Very, very exciting time. Not just for me, for everybody that's been a part of Polpettina and people that have been here for years. Partners, owners, workers, you name it. Take a look and see what we have in the fridge. Ice squeezers, there's something else. Once the ice cream goes done, no more ice cream.
Okay.
We'll just roll with Zeppelis and whatever else we have. I think the fresh pasta as well. Kind of switch to that. Once we close, we could just bring it home
Yeah.
and eat it all. And this side clear as well. Yeah, once the calamari, like we said, this machine is going to be gone, and we'll get, you know, probably 2 others and put them downstairs
Take that TV down.
and hit it with a sledgehammer and break it.
Sounds good to me.
You can literally store liquor on the shelf. Somebody that can order. All right, everyone, finally, the time is here for us and also for you to get back to doing the things that we love, and that's cooking and serving you guys. I just want to say how grateful and thankful that we are for everyone's patience and the love that everyone has shown throughout this 5-month process, which was tough, but it's all for the better. And we are super, super thankful. It just shows a real sense of what community is all about, and that there is a lot of great people in this world, especially here in this wonderful country that we live in. And we can't thank you enough. We are so excited to get back to work to serve you guys. Much love, much thanks, and we're looking forward to serving you.